This is review for DeWalt Classic Power Tool Kit, and there are many detailed review on Amazon already, and my review only focuses on Openbox as of 2025. Let's open the box to see what's included in the package. Let's remove everything out of the bag, batteries, power tools, and put on the table, and here we are. And first, here's a menu. This is impact drill. This is a menu of the drill drivers. And here's the battery DCB201. And the battery is very compact, but doesn't give too much volume. It's only 1.5 amp hour, roughly 30 watts hour, 20 volts battery. You come with two, very nice. And here's the charger, DCB107 charger, very convenient. You can even put it inside the bag. Here's the impact driver, very compact, very handy. I really like the belt clip on the side. And that other thing, like when you put it out, you can put the drill kit inside the power drills. Drill driver. Here's the bag, and the bag is actually pretty big. There's no problem. I put everything into the bag. You can see there's a friction strip, very strong support. It's about 12-inch long. It's about 9-inch high. Now I just give you the demo. Everything you can put it even in the big DeWalt bag. Carry on. Very nice. And looks very professional. It's weighted about 12.6 for the battery, almost 33 ounce for the impact driver, 34 ounce nearly for the drill drivers. Let's put it on for the impact driver. Select the battery. With the battery, it's about 44 or 45 ounce. For the drill driver, it's about 56 ounce. Here how it works. You have two levels, level 1, level 2, and press and hold the trigger. The LED automatically on. It's very nice. You can also adjust the different speed or torque level. Very convenient. I feel very ergonomic feeling. And here's the lights. You never find a hiding spot when you're using these tools. And also forward, backward pushing. And here's the impact driver. It's much smaller, much lighter. I really like those side rubbers. You can protect impact. And the triggers is very handy. You can even see this one actually have 3 LED lights, and that light up all the spot. You don't have black dots. Very handy. And here how to show the battery. Slide in the battery upside down, and you can see the flashing as it's fully charged. The red LED becomes solid red. Here's everything. This is the classic tool. You come with drill driver, impact driver, and 2 batteries. 5 stars.